want olives?
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here, and thanks for those who recently subscribed to my channel. Oh my god, couldn't even say it right. Subscribe to my channel, and of course for those who continue to remain so supportive, loyal, and engaging. Like, I am so amazed having you here, and welcome to the month of June as well. Today is the 2nd of June, and there's plenty of rain outside falling, so the umbrella is out and a little like kind of blazer jacket, that's what's gonna rock. And yeah, yesterday felt like such a winter vibes when I was on my way home. Like I want to snuggle up in bed, socks and every single thing, and get a heating blanket. Okay, probably I'm exaggerating a little bit, but let me tell you something. Had an amazing time yesterday as well with one of my lovely friends. So if you're in London or you visit London at all and you want to have a nice fish and chip, go to All in One Bar. Like, honestly, on the menu I was a little bit undecisive, and both of us, we went for the fish and chip. It was amazing. I felt like it was so well seasoned, every single thing. Like, me and my friend, like, well, honeys, let me tell you, we enjoyed it to the core. It was so nice. So I would recommend the fish and chips in All in One Bar. Actually, I'm gonna leave them a review because I love to do that. Yeah, I have quite a few outstanding reviews, to be fair, to leave for these places that I go to, but it was so good. We were well filled and everything. I'm just saying, well, this is my fish and chips that I had. Okay, so we're gonna go, and let's just be grateful at all times, despite the season, despite the periods that we are in, despite, you know, just any little thing that tackles us. Let us try to remain focused. Time to go. And this is all-in-one bar that is in Richmond, but you also have all-in-one bar all over London, including central London as well, right up in Oxford Circus. Okay, so in case it's not Richmond, then yeah, just try another one. They're there. So one of the reasons I did not vlog, well, I didn't really feel like I needed to vlog yesterday dinner with my friend, because there's times and a place for everything. We were just having a very good conversation. It was really nice. But I didn't feel like vlogging. I just felt like just having that quality time with my friend. And then here is another day. Like, after work, it's so good when you come home and mom is in the kitchen, right? Especially when she gets home before you from work. Rice with coconut milk. It tasted amazing. I actually had dinner twice that night, to be fair. It was that tasty. It was so delicious, because one thing with my mom, she cooks so well, and especially when she's in the mood, she's gonna go deep rooted in her cooking. So enjoy dinner with me. This looks really, really nice.
Tastes good to you,
Oh,
yeah.
Like shows like pork shoulder steaks. So you've got your bay leaves in there, a bit of bell peppers. You've got every single thing in here.
You love that, don't it?
Absolutely. I don't want a lot though, but if you just, when you're sharing, you could just do a little bit here, a little bit there.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. I know you're not greedy.
I'm not greedy.
I know.
Because I taught you how to cook. So,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if I didn't teach you how to cook, you would not be able to cook at all.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome to some hours later. Let me tell you something. Outside is so... Did you not find outside to be quite humid earlier on?
Of course.
It is so, like, it's just sticky. So for me, I'd rather, if it's gonna be cold, if it's gonna be like hot, whatever, it's just a stickiness out there. It's just
sticky.
Do you get what I mean? Like, if it's cool, then yeah, it is. It's okay, we can have. To be honest with you, I don't even know what I want sometimes with the weather, but not something like the other day when I can't even breathe. You get what I mean? But anyway, when I have lovely dinner. So yeah, I taught her how to cook. So this is dinner, and it's the coconut rice. We've got some shredded cabbage here, and carrots, cucumber, bell pepper, and pork, and of course corn. Is there anything else in this plate that is missing, Mom?
Avocado.
Oh my God, she knows. Let me tell you, when it comes to buying an avocado, my mom hates it because she just feels she just can't get the good one. And I will buy it and still risk it by just peeling the side that is good. I don't know why she doesn't like to buy it. I said to her, just buy it, because obviously this is not Jamaica. Yeah, but what are you gonna do? Just never buy?
They don't waste the money. They're gone with the money. You understand me?
Anyway, this is dinner, so yeah, I'm gonna still buy my avocado.
You're not smiling. Smiling, not smiling.
Of course I am. Yeah. Do you want olives? Have a bit of olives. No. Oh, you're good? Okay, great. Oh, Sarah, what you got there?
This one is
Which one is that?
this one is
Which one is that?
non-veg.
Oh. Hello, sorry guys, yes, I am here. Guys, have you ever when you're doing your intro and stuff like that, I'm sure it happens to a lot of you, right, Mom, where you'd be like, welcome to my channel, and you'd be like, no, that's not on point, and you're like, can't let you fix my hair. Welcome to my channel. No, that is not right. Hi, my name is Tanya, isn't it? Cut. Yeah, yep. Let's come back again. Welcome to my I mean, you've done it. Stop acting like you haven't done it, because I've done it. Is it, Mommy? Mommy witnessed me do it all the time. I'm like, no, this is not on point, and I'm like, cut. Yeah, action. Yeah. So anyway, I came home, and there are a few things that Mom did not do as per my instruction. Right?
What?
Well, I did say that I need a pot of soup.
Tanya, the biggest thing you come home and see. This is what you should
to
talk
be honest
about.
with you, I had a pair of trainers that just need to be clean, and yeah, she cleaned it for me, so that is really, really nice.
Very nice.
But I
wash
did.
your shoes. The train.
Why is she telling everyone my business about the dirty lace? Anyway, guys, my name is Tanya. For those who recently subscribed to my channel, thank you. I think I said that before, but I'll say it again because I truly appreciate it. And I work in hospitality. If you have not seen a little video of me before where I kind of talk a little bit briefly about myself, I do work in hospitality, and I follow my mom's footsteps. She works in hospitality as well. She is a gem. She's my best friend. She is my world. And just to put it out there as well, all the cooking that you will see in my videos, I am the one that I am the one that taught Mother how to cook the rice and peas, you know, how to do the chicken, the French fried chicken and stuff like that. Simple little ackee and saltfish. I basically teach her how, you know, to do those sort of things. And as such, she's thoroughly grateful for that even today. So on it, you know, I just came from work, and yeah, great. What I'm gonna do is I literally plan on talking about my journey into hospitality one of these days. I actually think it would be quite cool for you guys to understand the whole hospitality journey and how you can basically start off in it. Every time I really said I'm gonna do it, like, I'm not being funny, but I really get exhausted, I'm tired, and I just want, when I'm doing it, I want to do it like really proper. Do you understand? Because it's not a bad field at all to get into. And hospitality doesn't just cover hotels. We're talking about restaurant, we're talking about this, we're talking about that. And to be honest with you, service is important in, but we are the hospitality in Sainsbury's and Tesco these days. So we're the one that is serving ourselves, basically. It's pathetic. I want to say special thanks to the beautiful ladies in Eversheen hair shop that is in East Street. Basically, you ladies looked after my mom so well, and sorry if I don't remember your names, because she did say, but she really appreciate the way that you, this needs to stay here, but she really appreciate you guys taking very good care of her, assisting her, because you wear wigs a lot, don't you?
Jesus of mercy, Tanya.
Don't you not wear wigs under?
I don't wear wigs. Emergency.
She said she doesn't wear wigs, she wears emergencies.
Emergency.
Oh my god. But anyway, ladies, you know yourself, and you also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I'll stop in there one of these days to also help to select new wigs. From which one do you prefer? The Oliver ones?
Yeah?
You prefer the Oliver style
Yes, the
wigs?
Oliver. Hello, Jackie. Hi, how are you?
Oh, so you remember the name now,
I
Jackie?
remember Jackie, but I can't remember the other two.
But what I'm trying to say to you is that, do you like to wear the Oliver, the actor Oliver wigs, or those are the ones you like?
Yeah, that's one, yeah.
The Oliver